Brian Gass here, PTPGun.com, and today I'm going to show you how to field strip your Beretta PX4 Storm 9mm. Now before we field strip any firearm, we always want to start off by double checking to make sure the firearm is unloaded. So we're going to go ahead, drop the magazine out of that firearm, set that to the side, and double check, make sure there's no round in the chamber, no magazine inserted. We are good to go ahead and proceed. Now, what we're going to do with this PX4 Storm, all right, it's going to take apart very similarly, but a little bit more easier than a Glock. So with that, we have this device here. It's on both sides. All right, we want to pull that down towards the bottom of the gun and then be able to release the slide off. So what we're going to do, all right, send the slide forward, pull that tab down. As you saw, once I got it pulled down out of the way, the slide went a little bit forward, and I can take that and push that slide off. Now we're done with the frame for right now, so go ahead and set that to the side. Now that we have the slide off, we're gonna go ahead and take this spring assembly, all right, spring guide assembly, we're gonna pull it forward and then bring it off, all right, and from here, all right, we're gonna pull the spring itself out, all right. Now you have the pointed end that goes more towards the rear, towards the shooter, and this rounded end that goes down towards the muzzle end, all right. Set to the side. Now the barrel, all right, the barrel's gonna come out. We're gonna rotate a little bit, and we're gonna pull that forward and up. All right, just take that to the side. And then we have the slide itself. From here, we can do any type of cleaner maintenance we might wanna do to the PX4 Storm. Now let's go get and read an assembly. We're gonna go ahead and drop the barrel in, all right, muzzle first. It's gonna work its way down in there. Now we're gonna put this spring guide assembly back together. And what we're gonna do is this end we're gonna stick inside the slide first at the muzzle end, all right? And we're gonna compress it just a little bit until it gets caught in the bottom of the barrel. All right, now that's in its place. And we're gonna take the slide right side up and we're gonna insert the frame, all right? You have the rail system on top here. That's gonna insert into the back of that frame. We're gonna keep that matched up. We're gonna pull all the way back and let go. So we have now field stripped and reassembled our PX4 Storm, but let's do a functions check to make sure that we have it back together properly. So keep picking the firearm up, keep it pointing down range. We're gonna turn the safety off. All right, we're gonna go ahead and pull that trigger and let go. Now, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna pull that slide back, cocking that hammer back, putting it in single action. We're gonna pull that trigger and let go. Now this next time we're going to do the same thing, except we're going to pull that trigger and hold it to the rear. We're going to pull that slide to the rear, let go. We're going to release the trigger until we hear and feel that click, resetting the trigger, and then we're going to pull the trigger again. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to turn our safety back on, make sure that's functioning the way it's supposed to. We're going to go ahead and try to pull that trigger, and it's not functioning as it should be. For more videos on how to field strip and reassemble your firearm, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our playlist as we have several videos on various handguns. And if you don't see your handgun, if you don't see a particular handgun that you were looking for, let us know in the comments below. Let us know what you would like to see next on our channel. Thank you all again. Stay safe, and as always, train, defend, prevail, and subscribe.